Hey guys, welcome to Joyoshare iOS channel. Today, we'll teach you how to fix iPhone stuck on loading screen right away. First solution, force restart iPhone. Press the volume up button and quickly release it. Press the volume down button and quickly release it. Press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. The second solution, use a powerful iOS system recovery software like Joyoshare UltFix. You should download and install it in advance. Then activate this program. In the pop-up window, you will find this tool can fix 150 plus issues on your iPhone, including stucking on the black screen, white Apple logo, recovery mode, EFU mode, boot loop and more. Note that you should connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable before starting the progress. Okay, now, you can click the Enter Recovery Mode by clicking this button. Then select the Start option, choose the standard mode to fix your iPhone stuck on loading screen issue without data loss and press the Next button. The information of iPhone will appear on your screen. You should confirm that all of the information is valid and correct. Download and select the firm package that matches your device. After having the appropriate firmware package downloaded, you need to hit the Repair option. When your iPhone turns on again, you need to see whether it fixed your problem. The third solution, restore iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer using an Apple-approved USB cable. Tap the volume up button and quickly release it, then do the same thing with the volume down button. Press and hold the side button for about 5 seconds. Activate iTunes on your computer and select the Restore iPhone option, then click the Restore and Update button. You can check if this tip fixes your problem. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.